All right, thank you for doing that. And Jeff, one question that I know we're getting and want to address as soon as we can is you're kind of speaking from different sides of the fence because you're a revenue officer, but you're also speaking to practitioners, telling them how to, quote unquote, get their clients off the hook, right? The IRS, we talked a little bit about CSED dates, those collection statute expiration dates, and currently not collectible lets the clock run without any collection action. But the question is, the IRS doesn't want to let a CSED expire, correct? And just let the client say, hey, we've got, a year. Can we just put, currently not collectible for, I don't know, a year and a half? I guess how do you manage that? You're going to get more frantic. Are they going to be less likely to approve it toward the end of a CSED? Kind of explain that.
Well, that's a great question, and it really kind of depends upon whoever owns the case. One of the big things is, as a revenue officer, I could not have a case's CSED expiry in my inventory. If I did, I got a vacation, a non-paid vacation. So in many cases, you will see the IRS frantically attempt to try and collect a debt. But the thing is, if it truly is, let's say, a hardship is a hardship, and it doesn't matter whether there's a CSED about to expire or not. By law, if your client can't pay, they can't pay. And in cases like that, if you're getting a lot of pushback, I would always recommend the taxpayer advocate as far as to help you out in that situation. The other half of that scenario is, again, I didn't want that to expire in my inventory, so if it was coming up soon, a lot of times I would almost encourage currently not collectible just to get it out of my inventory so I didn't get that nice little vacation. So you'll get a little bit of a strong push initially, and then probably some frantic, let's just get this done somehow in some way so I don't get in trouble as an IRS employee.
No, that's fascinating, and that's very interesting. So I think one thing just being around this and understanding is currently not collectible, I think, largely is a tool that is maybe underutilized or definitely underappreciated from most practitioners, because they see the big banners of, we're going to do an offer and compromise and it's going to be great, when in actuality this is a very valuable tool that totally gets overlooked.
You bet. Yeah, really, again, it's a timeout for everyone. It gives you a chance to collect yourself and come up with a final solution. But in some situations, like the example I gave with one of my clients, it can be a final solution in and of itself. It just kind of depends upon the scenario.
All right, great. Well, we'll have you continue on.
Okay. So really, we've come to the end, and we're almost out of time, if not gone over a little bit. So as a reminder, what we've done today is we've talked a little bit and explained what a currently not collectible is. We should understand the purpose of currently not collectible and how it fits into collection cases. And we gave some examples as far as how to develop strategic uses of currently not collectible when looking at your client's cases.
Thank you so much, Jeff. That is, I'll jump on your toes there, but we appreciate you taking the time. We appreciate you taking the time, and look forward to seeing you on future presentations. And as you can see, there's some information for how to see other courses. Jeff teaches some other courses with us. You can also get into the community, which you can find Jeff there as well. So there's a lot of ways to get a hold of us. Appreciate you taking the time, and we'll see you soon.